Okay, so we are back and we're live. I'm Amanda from Social Fuel Media, and we are going to take a look at how to actually create videos on the free service Canva, and then also how to create animated GIFs on the premium service of Canva. So as you see here on the screen, Canva gives you templates for those of you who haven't used it for free. So you can go to canva.com and you'll be able to have access to templates from anything from presentations to trifolds to Instagram posts, Facebook covers, LinkedIn header covers, just about anything that you can think of. The big news now, and why I wanted to share this today, is that Canva has actually come out with videos now that you can create. So for instance, if you were a content maker like myself or content provider of tutorials, you might want to use some of those videos as a bumper for your video that you're creating. Or you might want to take a video such as what I'm creating right now and make it a little bit cooler with a templated background to it. Another thing that you can do with these videos is create some movement. So if you're posting on social, you generally want to get something where it makes someone stop their scroll. So you'll be able to use these videos in order to do that. And as a kind of last little tidbit of fun, you can actually, if it's a long enough video, about 3 seconds long, you'll be able to use that as a part of a Facebook ad, so that you can use that as a video ad, and then you'll be able to actually retarget people that you had actually sent the original ad to. And it looks like there's an error occurred. Wait a moment and then try again. Okay, so I'm still live in the group. Let's see if I can get back on the main page. Okay, I'm back live on the main page. So I am going to go ahead and share a different tab of my computer so that we can actually take a look at how to create this really cool opportunity. So I've actually already gone into Canva, and I'm just going to make sure that you can see this on the broadcast. So you can. All right. So I've already gone into Canva and chosen an Instagram post. So again, you can use this for a Facebook post or whatever it might be, but we're just going to use Instagram post for right now. What you'll see on the left-hand side is that you have the opportunity to choose video now. So you have all different types of videos over here to the left, and they're all free. Some of them, it says minute 57, some are 11 seconds long, and so forth. So like I said, if you can find one that's a little bit longer, you can actually go ahead and use it when the time comes for Facebook. Anyway, let's choose this one. This is 29 seconds long, and as you notice, it's not going to fit, my Instagram size right now. So that's kind of like looks a little weird in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger, and I'm going to make sure that it stays kind of even by kind of making it bigger on both sides. So now you see it is fitting, right? But who wants just a background? So I'm going to pick some text. Come on over here. And maybe it's a Thanksgiving invite. So I'm going to click that, and it's automatically going to put that on there for me. I can size it, make it a little bit bigger. And I don't like it being black just because it's hard to read on this background. So I'm going to go ahead and click and come up here and change it to white. I can pretty much change everything to white. And obviously, if I was going to do this for real, I would take my time and make it really pretty. And you can obviously change what it says too, so you don't have to keep it with Thanksgiving dinner. But go in there and play around. And again, this is all free in the free account. Now I want to download this, and you're probably thinking, okay, well, the movement stopped, but the video is not stopped. So I'm going to go ahead and click over here. And as you see, I can hit download, and it's going to give me the choice of a video. I can also choose a PNG or a JPEG or a PDF, but I'm going to go ahead and choose video just to show you how this looks, and hit download. And while that's doing that, I'm going to come back over here and just make sure that I am still live because I'm still testing this software. As you can see here, it's going ahead and downloading for me. Canva is great for just about everything. So if you don't have a graphic designer, obviously graphic designers are fantastic to have on your staff. If you don't have one, or a videographer, or someone that can help you, if you're an entrepreneur or small business, Canva is really a fantastic opportunity for you to come in and be able to make some really cool stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the video. And as you can see, actually you may not be able to see this, but it's going to actually play. So let me see if I can get it so that you can see it play. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Hi there. And I'm going to share it again and see if I can pull up. Yes, I can. So I'm going to go ahead and share that. And I'm going to show you that that's what it looks like now. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Okay, so, and I was just checking to see if there's any comments. So coming back over here, I'm going to stop sharing that and go back to sharing my Instagram post. Okay, so is that working? Yes, it is. So let's give you the full, there we go. So here, that's my Instagram post. Now, if I wanted to do something different, let's say, and not use a video, okay, not use any of what I just did, but I wanted to use something that was like already, you know, done. They have some great things. So I can go up to templates. And as you can see here, there's a ton of different templates here, but they're all pretty much static. So I'm going to choose this lemon one. Now, as you can, wow, the lemon one got a little crazy on me. So let's just delete. Let's just do a whole new one. We're going to go back to home and we're going to create another Instagram. So that's going to be another stop. I'm learning as I go. How fun. You and I are learning together. Okay, here we go. So you should be able to see this, and you can. Okay, good. So over here, I'm going to pick the lemon again. Now it looks correct. And I don't like it because it's so like, it's like cool. But let's make it look a little cooler. So I'm going to come over here, and this is paid version only, but I can go animation. And I can actually create an animation out of this and change it up how I want it to look. This one's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I can download it as an animated GIF, or I could download it as an MP4. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And while that's downloading, it is really cool to be able to do something like this. So the premium, I think, is $12.95 a month for Canva. But the extra content that you get and the extra functionality that you get, it makes it well worth it. So I would definitely say that's something that you know, if you're looking for things that you might want to invest in, that's something that you might want to invest in. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go ahead and switch this up so you can see me again. So we're just waiting for that to download. So once that downloads, it's actually going to be a video. So it's going to download as an MP4 and you'll be able to use that as a video. So those are two different ways to use Canva, and they're great ways for you to be able to kind of like shortcut to what you need to do in order to get some really good content, not only for social posting purposes, but also if you're going to be using it for any type of content. Printed materials are great on Canva, and you're able to actually print them right from Canva. So I am not getting paid by Canva in any way. I'm just a huge fan of Canva. So this seems to still be downloading. And it just is taking a little bit long, but when it does download, it will be a video that you'll be able to play, and it's just going to have the same movement as what you chose when you were over in the animation area. So that's a real quick download of the new things that are happening on Canva, and also a real quick way to get your content a little bit more premium. Oh, here we go. And it's going to allow me to show this for you. So let's see if I can get that so that you can see it. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and share it. So this is our lemon video. So as you can see, it plays quite nicely. So you can use that in different ways. So I have stopped sharing video again. So enjoy yourselves, have fun with Canva. And also remember, you can join our free group, which is our social fuel group on Facebook. So it's right over there to the left-hand side. Like our Facebook page, like us on Instagram, like us on Twitter. Please, you'd let us know like some of the things that you have questions on, but also if you have tips and tricks that you like to use, please share those with us as well, because we're always looking to share and support other digital marketing nerds such as myself. So I hope you found this very helpful, and let us know what you think by putting it in the comments. Thanks, guys.